Incremental reading, a journey so bright. Absorbing knowledge little by little each night. From paragraph to paragraph in steady flow, I capture the wisdom, watch my garden grow. All rush in this chase, no haste in this race. Each fact a seed, every idea a base. With every review, connections are clearer. The horizon of knowledge draws nearer and nearer. In a sea of words, where ideas thrive, I found a way to keep my learning alive. Bit by bit, page by page, words dance and twirl upon my mind stage.